today in this video I will tell you how to create a group chat in Slack. So first of all, you search app.slack.com. When you search it and open it and make an account and sign in with Google, then go to there and we find direct messages with add button. Now we click on the add button. We enter the email. We want to add this my friend and the friend is add. Now group is created. Now I send message. Now the message has been sent. So it is very simple to create a chat. If liked the video, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to check the resources link in the description below. See you in the next video.